Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy salad recipe for dinner, ideal as a filling meal in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. To make the salad, I'm boiling some baby potatoes, and for that I have added the baby potatoes into a saucepan filled with water. And once it starts to boil, reduce the flame to the lowest and allow the potatoes to cook on low flame. It should get done in about 10 to 15 minutes. To check whether the potatoes are done, just insert a knife, and if it goes through the potatoes smoothly, then that means the potatoes are nicely cooked. So I'm going to drain it and allow it to cool down. Once the potatoes cool down, slice it into half and then again slice it into half and then peel off the skin. I'm heating my pan with 1 tablespoon wood pressed sesame oil, also known as gingerly oil. Once the oil is heated, just swirl the oil all over the pan so that the pan is nicely coated with the oil. Add in the boiled potatoes. Add in salt as needed. And lightly roast the potatoes for about 2 minutes on medium flame. 2 minutes later, I'm adding in 3 medium-sized carrots sliced. Give it a stir. Allow the carrots to get sauteed along with the potatoes. Once the potatoes and carrots are lightly sauteed, I'm adding in a large handful of baby palak leaves. Give it a good stir and allow the palak leaves to get lightly wilted and cooked. Once the palak leaves are lightly wilted, I'm adding in about half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. Red chili flakes you can increase or decrease as per your taste. Add in some black pepper powder and give this all a good mix. Add in half of an onion diced and give it all a good mix. And once the potatoes are roasted, turn off the flame. To serve the salad into a bowl, I'm adding in a large handful of lettuce leaves. Transfer the roasted ingredients over the lettuce leaves. I'm garnishing it with some cherry tomatoes. And lastly, I'm squeezing in half a lime. And my super healthy potato salad is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy salad recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.